Right, welcome back. There's a continuation of video that we started before. Remember when we were taking these tires off because of the puncture, and then we're trying to use this alarm key, but for some reasons, because those alarm key now they are quite very tight. You know what I'm saying? Like they're very tight because that's the rim. They go hold it so tight. So because of that, the alarm key is not able to move them. So then I paused the video. I had to go to get a new one. Instead of the new one, couldn't do the job. So finally, I had to go to get my own tools. And I have tools in the car, so I got some impact with the same alarm key just to give you a bit of torque. And I think now, yeah, they all are loose. So now we can actually lose all that. So all you're gonna be doing it. If you don't have this, don't panic. All you gotta do is all you're gonna have to do is make sure you get a proper alarm kit. These are quite very cheap one. I just went down to the corner shop down there. It's about £2.49 for 2 sets. You can say it's a bit cheap. So once you start using it, it come out like this. It wear out on the side, and when it wear out on the side like this, it's not actually holding the actual thing. It's just spinning inside. You don't want that. You want it to be on like this to be able to get to what you want. So without wasting any time, so now that we got all that loose, we're gonna see if this rim is gonna separate from that one. So we should be able to get this rim out. I don't know if it's coming with a motor, but it look like, yeah, that is on the motor. So I don't know how this thing is, but this is the first time that I'm losing this. So for the purpose of the video, I'm still gonna use this one. Now that they all loose, I'm just gonna use this one to take them out. So if you get a proper alarm key, you shouldn't have a problem. You should be able to get about. If this is coming as a long screw, that means that this alarm can actually hold the motor to that. That means it's not like the way I was thinking, because some of these rims are actually like, a full rim, they're separated. If it's not separated, then all we have to do is we need to get this tire out by doing what they do, to get tires out, using those two-sided things. So I'm just going to take this one out first. So the first one is out, which is quite very long. So that means that this rim is not actually, separate in the center like I was thinking. Yeah, look to me more like, it's just on a motor. But anyway, we still have to take the motor out so we can get a tire out to actually do what we want, because with the motor in there, it's not good. It's not good because we don't want to damage that little cord that go right in the motor from the controller. We want to keep that intact because that's what giving the power to the motor. If we damage that, that's the end of the motor. Or we have to send it for repairs, and you don't want to be doing all that. So we take all these bolts out and say, well, you can use that, but I just want to speed up, so I'm going to use my impact driver and then to get all of them out. Yep, to get all of them out. It's the last one there. Okay, so it look like, if you can see, look like the motor is, well, actually is that, we're actually doing the right thing. I just check on the back. The motor and the other rims, I think they one, and it's another rim at the back. I don't know how they do this, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so we get the last one out, and then we will see the last one. I think the tension is on that because the tire is leaning, so that one you have to find out. Okay, so now we got all the border out. So when you see now, you can say, look, that's how the whole thing works. Can you see? That's how they work to me. So these rims are joined in the middle like this. So you have this side, you have that side. So this side comes here with a tire, and that side just go like this. That's how it is. So when you have puncture, there's no way you're going to be losing the tire this way. You're going to damage the tire or even damage the inner tube. If it's the tubeless, you're going to damage the tire. So don't do that. Take all the inner ones out and leave this up. So you have the motor with all the rim, which is here. So now you can take this tire to work with this tire. So let me just put this camera here like we did before, and then try to see. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it fine. So right, so it's like that. So now we're gonna find out what is wrong with this tire. So to find out first, sorry about my leg, I keep putting my leg from the camera back. It just space first. You gotta take this one out. You're gonna have to take this one out so we can have access for this to go in. So now we need to take this rim completely out. And the way to do it is, don't damage the valve. You have to just turn the valve a little bit to slide it. So this rim is off. Now we can put it back right here. And then we are back with the inner tube. So this is the inner tube right here. We take it out and do some investigation to see. Okay. Now it looks like there's still air in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a pump this inner tube and put in the water and see if there's any bubbling coming up. Right. I got a little bicycle pump in the house here. So I'm going to use this one. So all I'm going to do is just, turn the tray to make sure that, that goes in there. Right. So now let's give it some air. Don't put on the rim. You can put it back. I'm just going to put it on the floor. Okay. Well, I can literally feel air coming here. We got puncture. Yeah. We got puncture on this side right here. The air is just coming straight on my face. So I don't know if y'all can listen. Yeah. So we got puncture on this line right here. It's this is a very strange puncture. I don't know. It might be like, okay. There's a puncture on the side here. And the good thing is we got bicycle shop just down there. So I'm gonna take this to them and let them, repair the puncture for me. And once that puncture is repaired, I'm gonna bring it back, put in the tire, do the same thing, and we should be back in business. So this is how the tire is. So this is how the tire is. From where the puncture is coming, it's coming on the sidewall. Puncture is coming on the sidewall here. So I don't know, maybe just, when you keep riding sometime, because since I got a scooter, I haven't, actually inflated it. The air, I just let the air, comes to the, maybe I'll be riding it on the inflation, but the tire is not properly inflated. So maybe that caused the tire to actually wear the side of the inner tube or whatever it is. I don't know, man. I'm just going to find out what's happening right here. But that must be really big, because the moment you pump it, the whole air is gone. The moment you pump it, the whole air is gone. And I'm going to have a look inside here. I cannot see anything punching the side. Well, inside the tire still look okay, but where that thing is coming from, I don't know. You have to be careful. When you have this, you need to find the source of the puncture. Otherwise, when you repair the puncture and put it back, if it's a nail pin or anything and it's still in the tire, it's going to puncture the thing again, because once there's a pressure, that metal bit or whatever it is that puncture the inner tube is going to puncture it one more time. So you're going to be very careful and have a look and see that if there's anything in the walls of the tires, you get them out before you put a repaired inner tube in. Right. Repair inner tube in. So, well, I haven't seen anything yet, but my priority right here is to get this right to the bicycle shop just down there. You know, I'm lucky that, you know, I live close to the, you know, the high street, you know, so things are a bit close. So I'm going to take it to them, let them pump it, and then they might be able to give me some feedback if they can repair this or not. But I hope they do it. If they don't repair this, man, I don't know. I have to order a new one, or maybe ask them if they got any inner tube there for this size, and I'm going to buy one from them. But for now, I'm going to take. So this video, you know, just to help you, when you do this, you know, you keep this intact and make sure that that rest there, there's no string on that, so the motor and the rim is safe. Repair this car by putting the tire, and then we're going to find out where it goes on the actual thing. This hole here, that's where the valves need to go in when you put it in the back. So I'm gonna be going now, and I can leave the camera running. That means that the video is gonna be too long for you. I know that y'all don't have too much time to sit down and watch a video. That's why I'm making short videos with all the technicality and everything that I think you need to, you know, understand in case you find yourself in a situation like I am right now. So I'm gonna just leave you all right now, and when I come back with the inner tube, whatever the problem is, I'm gonna do another video. So in this video, I'm gonna name it puncture repair part 1, 2, because we did the first one how to take the tire off. There's the second one we do right now to get the tire actually off the rim, get to the inner tube. So we're going to do another one, how to put a repair inner tube back and this and on the scooter, and then we go. So till I make another video, shout out to y'all, and keep watching my videos, and keep subscribe to my channel, so things like this will just come straight to you. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you won't be getting this. Subscribe to my channel, so anytime any problem in the scooters or anything, when I do it, I put it that you get it straight. So you always updated what's happening if you have any of these scooters, so you don't panic when you find yourself in that situation. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to all of you, and I'll make another video of how to pull these things back. All right, see ya, bye.